Hi guys, it's Ariel Fox and welcome back to my channel. So this week's video is kind of a delayed one because I have been waiting for this item to arrive for quite a while. I've seen that other people have got theirs like a week or so back, so I'm a bit late to it this time, but this is my Birchbox unboxing. This is the Birchbox for May. I'm a bit disappointed because Birchbox actually put a picture of all the contents from inside the box onto their Facebook profile quite recently, and this was before everyone had received their boxes, and I really like this to be a surprise in the post. I love having it as a surprise, and I love unboxing it on here for a surprise as well for you guys, but we probably already all know what's in here, so I'm going to go through here and give you my reaction. Maybe my items are a little bit different to the ones that Birchbox put up already, but I highly doubt it. But we're going to have a look in here today, and yeah, as I say, I'm very disappointed that they've done that, and hopefully they don't do it next month too, because I do want this to be a surprise box. I enjoy it being a surprise box. So let's have a peek inside the box. If you haven't seen already, this box has got butterflies on it. I really like the boxes so far. I've had a really pretty one last month, which is the reason why I signed up last month. And then obviously this one is beautiful too. It's opening in my hands. Dog keeps looking. Every time I do an unboxing, he likes to have a little look just in case there's dog treats in there for him. This box opens up differently from my last one. My last one had a magnet and then it flipped open. This one pulls open. The first thing in here is your little booklet telling you what you've got. A lot of people when they're doing these tend to look you through the booklet first, but I like keeping every item as a surprise, also for myself, so I don't like looking through the booklet first. So we'll look at that as we go along to tell us what each item is. But let's have a little look under the booklet. Here's a sneak peek at my item. The first item in here I'm going to do is the one that I knew I was going to get, which is the eyeliner. This eyeliner is a Lord & Berry eyeliner. The full size one retails for £13. I don't know how much the little one's supposed to be, but it looks like the full size one is bigger than this one. So this is more like a little dinky travel sized one. So the next product I have here comes in this really cute little pot. I don't know what's inside. This is a face sun cream, and that is something I desperately need. I've run out of my old one. I can't remember which brand it was, and I don't think I still have the packaging. I desperately need a new one of these, and these little pots go quite a long way. My last one lasted me ages, so I'm really looking forward to using this. This one's called Mimi Tika, and it is for sun lovers apparently. So if you're a sun lover, you might love this too. It doesn't only defend against rays, it also is an antioxidant, and it has vitamin E to deeply hydrate and further protect your skin. Smell this sun cream. It's really thick and gloopy by the looks of it in here. It doesn't really have a smell to it, which is quite good because sometimes they can be overpowering for your face. So I'm just rubbing it into the back of my hand just to see what it's like. It smells quite nice. It's got a really faint sort of cream smell to it, not like that generic sun cream smell. And it's rubbed in really well, and it's gone into my hands perfectly. It hasn't left like a white cast or anything. It's sunken in really well, and it feels really soft and nice instead of sticky. Whereas a lot of sun creams, even the last one I used to use for my face, was quite sticky. So I'm quite looking forward to trying this out. And I'm going to keep it in my bag as well because I burn on my nose very easily. Next thing I have in here is in this cute little pot. It looks like perfume, but I don't think it is from what I've seen so far of other people's. So this one is multi-purpose dry oil. Multi-purpose dry oil for your face, body and hair. Nourishes, repairs and beautifies. This is a little cute oil. It's useful to have things like these in this size because otherwise I never use them. I don't really use too much oils on my skin in the morning or my hair in the morning because it can leave it quite heavy, but throughout the day after styling I use quite a bit of oil in my hair, so it's quite nice to have a little travel sized oil. There's envelope your skin in a blanket of floral scented moisture with NYX's latest launch enriched with 7 botanical oils. Skin is left silky smooth, radiant and delicately fragranced. It's perfect for hydrating your arms and legs, or you can work it through the lengths of your hair to add shine. I don't know what it smells like. Let's smell it. It's going on about the smell a lot. It smells lovely. It smells a lot like L'Occitane products. It's got a really lovely floral smell to it. So the next thing I have in here is this. So this is Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. intensive super conditioning pre-shampoo treatment for all hair types. Adds elasticity, manageability, bounce and shine. I definitely don't need any bounce, but I could do a shine and all the other stuff. So I'm really looking forward to trying this one out. As for best results, before shampooing wet hair and apply in sections, work into hair with fingertips. Cover with a plastic cap and leave for 10 to 20 minutes before washing. Really looking forward to using this. I like any sort of conditioning treatment. I'm always open to try more. I haven't found one I'm set on yet, so it'll be interesting to see what it's like. It doesn't really smell of anything. This lot doesn't really have much of a smell. It might be different once I actually put it on, but I don't really seem to get any smell coming from this one. This one retails at £9.50 for a full size. The last oil one retails at £29.50 for the full size. I forgot to say that one. I also forgot to say the sun cream. The face sun cream retails for £17.50, which is actually a really good price for any sort of sun cream for your face, because they're usually quite expensive. So next up I have a little mascara. It's pretty dinky, but it's perfect sort of travel size for taking out. I don't know who it's by, it just says Nourishing Mascara. It is Butanique Beauty Nourishing Mascara. Not only does this mascara thicken, lengthen and volumise your lashes, it nourishes them at the same time. It has a hard-working formula enriched with almond oil, oleic acid. Make sure you shimmy the brush back and forth to grip every lash from root to tip. I'm looking for a new mascara. I'm really not happy with any of the ones I've tried recently. If you guys know a magical one that isn't this, then drop that in the comments below. I haven't tried this yet, so I will be interested to see what it's like, and if it is any good, I'll try it on my Instagram and let you guys know how I get on. So that's it, that's all my products. Here's a sneak peek to June's box for anyone who is interested in getting started and trying June's box. I was initially worried because I thought it was another mascara, but it's not. It's a brow treat. Get fuller, natural looking brows in just a few strokes. And this is by Benefit, so if you've really wanted to try that and you also want to try Birchbox next month, might be a good one for you. If you haven't tried Birchbox yet, I have a code so that you can get £5 off, which will save you a little bit of money on your first box. There's no commitment to keep buying boxes, you can cancel any time, so it's not like £5 off your first box but then you have to buy a second and a third. There's no terms to it, you just get £5 off your first box. So if you want that, then please head to my link below and go get yourself that and try this box out. And also let me know how you get on. I'd love to hear what you think of the products. So far I've been really happy because I really do need to start trying some new products, so this has enabled me with that opportunity to do so. They're not going to stock up your whole makeup collection, they're just tiny products, but it's quite nice to have a little fun treat every month. Looking forward to next month. I haven't really played around with anything for my brows yet. If you are new to my channel and you've really enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe below and look out for more videos of mine coming along. I will be doing these unboxings every single month, so if you want to see more of these and want to see what comes in them before you commit, then keep an eye out for those. I've also subscribed to a Japanese beauty box, which I'm so excited for. It comes with the most crazy looking products ever, so I can't wait to try those out. That should be coming soon. Hopefully next week I can put that up. I'm really hoping it will come really soon because I'm so excited for it. And yeah, if you want to see videos like this or me testing out products, then please subscribe to my channel. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it too, because then more people see it. And yeah, if you have any questions for me, drop them below. As normal, I will get back to you because I get back to all my comments. And thanks again for watching my video. I look forward to seeing you next week. Goodbye.